Hi, my name is Laura and I'm going to show you how to make a regular life-size king's crown out of paper only. So what that means is no glue, and we're going to have to get creative with how we're going to put this together. So if you want to make this life-size for your head, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to measure your head and make something that fits you, and get paper that will fit your head accordingly, or double up and connect multiple pieces together. Let's keep it real, I have a small head. So I'm going to use the long side of this paper. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out my pattern. And basically I'm going to do a bunch of zigzags. It's going to be a simple crown. You can make it as complex as you want based on the look you're going for. I'm just going to show you the basics, and you can run with your imagination from there. So we're going to cut out all of the things that we just drew. And then after that, I will show you how we're going to secure it without glue. It's really quite simple. The cutting is kind of the most difficult part of it, but we're almost at the end of that. So once you've cut out your shape, put that paper to the side. Now what we're going to do is make it so that these pieces fit together. So what we're going to have to do that is a score at the top of one side. And also notice how I left a little bit, about an inch of room for the closure, where there's no zigzagging going on. So we're going to cut at the top of one piece and the bottom of the other, so they're going to fit together like that. You don't cut all the way through, cut maybe about halfway through. And that is how you make a regular life-size king's crown out of paper only. I'm Laura, thanks for watching.